Let's learn about birds. This is owl. O W L Owl. This is pigeon. P I G E O N. Pigeon. This is crow. C right O W Crow. This is eagle. E G L E Eagle. This is kingfisher. K I N G F I S H E. Right. Kingfisher. This is flamingo. F L M I N G O. Flamingo. This is sparrow. S P right O W Sparrow. This is falcon. F L C O N. Falcon. This is goose. G O S S E. Goose. This is vulture. V U L T U. Right. E. Vulture. Thank you.